Keith, a resident of Hong Kong and Canada, has been battling a condition known as Croatian rhinitis, akin to Leber's hereditary optic neuropathy, LON, leading to progressive night blindness. Over a decade ago, Keith was initially diagnosed with retinitis pigmentosa (RP) due to similar symptoms, which includes gradual vision loss. Despite this diagnosis, treatments such as Chinese medicine, acupuncture, and various prescribed medications in Hong Kong showed minimal improvement. In 2019, upon discovering Dotor Yu's innovative approaches at Wellspring Clinic in Vancouver through social media, Keith decided to explore alternative treatments. Initially skeptical about traditional Chinese medicine due to past experiences, he was encouraged by the success stories of other patients at the clinic, some of whom had been returning for years and reported significant improvements after multiple sessions. Keith's treatment at Wellspring Clinic featured a unique blend of traditional Chinese medical practices and Dotor Yu's inventions, such as functional rice, a nourishing rice porridge reputed to benefit eye health. Throughout his visits, which included a preliminary 10-day treatment followed by another session lasting 5 days, Keith began noticing gradual improvements. For the first time in years, he could see his own hands while typing, a significant milestone. The clinic's environment, fostering interaction among patients from various backgrounds, also played a crucial role in boosting his confidence and belief in the effectiveness of the treatments. Encouraged by initial improvements and the supportive community at Wellspring Clinic, Keith committed to regular treatments and daily medication as advised by Dotor Yu. The collaborative approach between patient and practitioner at Wellspring is emphasized as vital for long-term success in managing and potentially improving conditions like Keith's. In summary, Keith's journey at Wellspring Clinic highlights an integrative approach to managing a challenging medical condition through traditional Chinese medicine, innovative treatments, and a supportive patient community, fostering both medical improvement and psychological resilience.